Hello, friends! Today we are diving into the world of unsolved mysteries. These mysteries will blow your mind. But not only we will explore these intriguing stories, we will also learn some new English vocabulary along the way. Each time a new term pops up, I will explain its meaning right here. So let's get started. Our first mystery is the story of the Bermuda Triangle. This term refers to a region in the west part of the northern Atlantic Ocean where ships and planes have reportedly disappeared under mysterious circumstances. Reportedly means according to what some people say. Circumstances. This term means problems or situations. Next, we have the Voynich Manuscript. This manuscript is an ancient book filled with strange symbols and illustrations, and no one has been able to decipher it to this day. To decipher means to interpret or find the meaning of something. Example: I couldn't decipher his sloppy handwriting. Illustrations refers to drawings or sketches. Example: the illustrations in this comic are amazing. Moving on, let's talk about the mysterious death of Elisa Lam. Her body was found in a water tank on the roof of a hotel, and the surveillance footage showed her acting oddly in the elevator before her disappearance. Oddly means in a strange or unusual way. Example: she walked in an oddly way. Disappearance means something that goes missing. Example: my t-shirt disappeared from my closet. Finally, we have the mystery of the Roanoke colony. This was an attempt by English settlers to establish a permanent settlement in America that ended with the colony's disappearance. A settler is a person who moves to a new place to establish a home. The term establish refers to start or create a system or organization which is meant to last for a long time. These stories remind us that the world is full of mysteries waiting to be unearthed. And learning English while exploring them can be a fascinating journey. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode. For more such content, like, subscribe and follow Cafe Talk Only. Bye!